Honorable MLA Yanali Shravan Kumar Garu, Special Chief Secretary Health and Medical and Family Welfare, Principal Secretary to Government Planning and Finance Piyush Kumar Garu, respected General Trustee, Chief of Field Office, UNICEF Public Health Specialist, Professor Sanjay Kumar, Professor and Coordinator of Lokaniti, Center for the Study of Developing Societies, Dr. M. Prakashamma, Public Health Specialist, Director of ANSWER Hyderabad, Dr. Subhashini Jalota, Founder, Naina Mahila Foundation, Dr. Rajiv Acharya, Research Advisory Board Population Council, Dr. Subramanyam, former Joint Director, Population Research Center, Visakhapatnam. And also, we are all gathered here, especially Community Development Program Officers, different NGOs, Central Administrators and Supervisors, Medical Friend Side, Gynecologists, Medical Officers, ASHA Workers, ANM, NGOs, Program Officers, School Assistants, District Education Officers, Faculty and Directors, Universities and also colleges, especially faculty members from All India Institute of Medical Science, Katuri Medical College, GGH and also self-help groups. We are all here. ఇక్కడంతా మనం కూర్చొని ఆలోచిస్తున్నాం, ఒక మంచి పాలసీ ఏ విధంగా తేవాలి, భవిష్యత్తుకి ఏ విధంగా ముందుకు పోవాలని ఆలోచిస్తున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ టైం ప్రపంచ జనాభా దినోత్సవాన్ని మనం జరుపుకుంటున్నాం.